Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you a very important app for Samsung mobile users. This has to be known to every Samsung mobile users. That name of that app is Samsung Members app, and the benefit and the uses of that app I am going to elaborate in this video. So I am going to tell about that app. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So if you are purchasing a new Samsung mobile, then that app can be an inbuilt app of your mobile. But if you are not finding that app in your mobile, then what you need to do, go to Play Store and here just search for Samsung Member apps. Search it. Now I have already installed it. You have to install it, then it will ask for something and give that permissions, and then open it. So this is the this you will see at home screen. So this Samsung Members app is a great place to get the latest news, tips and support from Samsung. You can also send questions and reports to Samsung team and help them to improve their products. So there is one community guidelines also. You can join that community. Various communities are there. You have to just make your profile, Samsung profile, and then you can join. The benefit of that you will be updated with the latest informations. Here in the bell icon, you will see the latest updates from Samsung. Here one UI 5 upgrade with Android 13, and here eligible models and in which month they became eligible for that one UI 5 user interface 5 upgrade with Android 13. You can see, you can find your model number, your month, and for these models the update has been completed. So you will find the latest information here, latest updates about the Samsung mobiles. Apart from that, in the support, these apps, apart from that, one thing I wanted to tell you here, my products, here you can register your product. Apart from mobile, you can register another Samsung products if you have in your home. So phone diagnostics is there. Here you can check everything about your phone. For example, if I show torch, so test again, I have touched, now turn on, the torch is on now. So yes, that is okay. Now you can speakers, here in call speakers, play, and here the sound is coming, yes. And media speakers, you can hear the media speakers, yes, both are okay. Similarly, you can check various things, fingerprints, Bluetooth, camera, mic, Wi-Fi. This is an inbuilt diagnostic functions of the Samsung mobiles. So this is very important. You can also check the batteries also. Suppose this is the battery status. Here test again. Now it will check, and battery is normal, life is good, and capacity was 5000 mAh when the capacity is 5000 mAh. So this is what I wanted to tell you. You can here find many frequently asked questions regarding battery and charge, wire charging does not work, anything. Matlab, this app must be in the mobile of any Samsung user, and not only app is there, but they also know how to use it, and I think I have explained how to use it. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, guys.